Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best patio heaters that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Amazon Basics 46,000 BTU Outdoor Propane Patio Heater. If you're looking for an affordable yet highly functional option, this heater delivers cozy warmth with a powerful 46,000 BTUs of heat, making it perfect for home patios or cafes. Its adjustable temperature knob allows you to customize the heat output, while the 9-foot heating radius ensures good coverage for small gatherings. The included wheels make it easy to move the unit around your space, and the slate gray powder-coated finish offers durability and a sleek appearance. However, the build quality is on the lighter side at 36.9 pounds, which is why Amazon Basics includes a water tank to weigh down the base for added stability. Safety features like the tilt auto shutoff valve are a great touch for peace of mind. On the downside, this heater may not fare well in heavy winds, and the assembly process can take a bit of time. Still, at $105.89, it's an excellent budget-friendly option for anyone who doesn't want to break the bank, but still wants reliable heating. Pros include affordability, ease of use, and portability, while cons include a slightly less durable build and limited heating coverage compared to higher-end models. At number 4, we have the Dr. Infrared Heater DR238 Carbon Infrared Outdoor Heater. This is a versatile, wall or ceiling mounted option that works well for both indoor and outdoor spaces. With its IP55 weatherproof rating, it's designed to withstand the elements, making it ideal for patios, decks, or even open-air restaurants. The infrared heating system offers clean, instant warmth in 3 adjustable power settings: 900 watts, 1200 watts, and 1500 watts. The included remote control adds convenience, allowing you to adjust the heat settings without leaving your seat. One of the standout features here is the efficiency of the mirror aluminum reflector, which provides 90% reflectivity for strong heating performance. It's also extremely lightweight at just 8 pounds, making installation a breeze. However, since it's an electric heater, it does require access to a power outlet, which can limit placement flexibility. Additionally, the heating coverage is more localized, so it's better suited for smaller, contained spaces. Priced at $110.91, this heater offers excellent value for its specific use case. Pros include instant heat, an efficient design, and weatherproof durability, while cons are its limited heating radius and reliance on electricity. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.